Okay, they're safe. Nova. What? That's Nova. I have to help them. Crystal. Where is Blizzard? Blizzard? Oh no, they're looking for me. Are you Gamma friend? Answer. Voltra, did you see Blizzard there? No. I have to hide because I'm tired. He was following me earlier, but... Crystal, it doesn't matter. I'm just tired because I use a lot of energy. Ouch! Nova, are you okay? I'm fine. You're back, Nova. Why are you Crystal? Just tired of fighting with you.
Hehe.
It turns out that Nova has returned. I have to go there, but there is Beliang. Don't hurt Gamma. He must have a grudge against me. Oh no, if left like this he could fall into a coma. No, no, no. His blood had started to flow.